After the blizzard blanketed the capital city, crews worked around the clock to clear those roads, but not everyone's giving the city a perfect score. Thanks for staying with us here at 5:30. I'm Sarah Sanchez.
And I'm Tim Lammers. While hundreds of cars were towed because of the parking ban, some people said cooperation was up, even if plowing wasn't. Fox
61's Alicia Hercules spoke with neighbors about what went right and what still needs work.
City officials tell me during the blizzard, more than 300 people had their cars towed. Some people I spoke with say snow removal went a bit better this time around, while others say there's room for improvement.
Judging from where I live at, people were following the parking ban.
William Cox says although the parking ban was followed better during this storm, the city could still do better.
But that doesn't mean that the snowplows did a good job. That people were off the street, but the snowplows, in my opinion, drivers are not pushing the snow back like they should. Cox, who has mobility issues, says poor snow removal on sidewalks and streets makes it even more difficult to get around. Sidewalks should be cleared sooner, and especially the curb area where you can catch a bus. It's dangerous. It becomes literally dangerous. Malcolm Archibald thinks the parking ban was followed better during the blizzard in comparison to the last storm.
People were more considerate about it. There's like a little bit less cars on the road.
He also thinks the snow removal process has been going very well.
Because not everyone drives, right? People do need to still get around through the buses. People still need to get around through the sidewalks. So it seemed like it was a little bit more understanding of the average person's experience.
Hartford Mayor Arunan Arlampalam says although more than 300 cars were towed, that number isn't too bad for such a big city.
That actually shows an incredible rate of compliance. It shows that a lot of these cars were able to stay off the street.
He says people following the parking ban made the snow removal process go much smoother.
And because of that, we were able to get plows down every single street. Just one car, especially in these neighborhood streets, can mess it up for everybody.
He says they're still working on clearing problem areas in the city like sidewalks and bus stops. Mike Kennedy lives in Hartford. He says although the city did a better job with snow removal, it's important for people to be patient.
People can't be everywhere at one time. They have to do one section at a time, so people have to have patience with each other.
For more ways to stay up to date with parking bans in the city, just visit this story on our website, fox61.com. In Hartford, Alicia Hercules, Fox 61.